autograph to some great bitter man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They say yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way. The day before. So I finally got a ride with the preacher man who asked, would you bound such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, he listened, I explained. He left me with a prayer that I find you, baby. Kentucky's rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead